Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split the screen in Redmi Note 13. The method is very easy and simple. Many of the people are asking about this, how we can split the screen in our Redmi Note 13 device. So let me tell you guys, before starting the video, just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from this channel. And if you want any other tips and tricks related to any Redmi device, just comment below. So okay, let's start. All you guys have to do this, press this background app button and see we have these apps right now. And if you want to split any two apps, like I want to split Snapchat and YouTube, so all I have to do is long press this app and then I have an option of split screen here. Just press it, then this half windows open here, and then second I want to choose Snapchat, so I can just click on Snapchat. See, we have two different windows here. First one is of YouTube and YouTube is also working, and second one is of Snapchat, which is also in working. And we can also change the size of both windows by dragging it up and down. So this is a very simple and easy method of splitting the screen of Redmi Note 13. And if I want only one screen, so the whole application of YouTube is on display right now. I hope this method works for you. If this method helped you, so don't forget to like the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Just follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.